Alright guys, in this video we're going to go ahead and see if the Losi LMT can handle a freestyle. All right guys, so we do still have the green duct tape axle on the back, and don't forget to drop a like, guys. All right. Oh, okay. Oh no! Look at that. Oh no! Oh my gosh, this is getting out of hand. Oh my goodness. Oh my! Oh! I think that's about all she's got for us. Oh, that was awesome. And we'll just park it there. That would have been really cool to stop it on top of there, but I'm not that good, I guess. Oh man. Oh shoot. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this with the LMT and with the SMT10 as well, let me know. And we also just got in these axle braces, the axle housing braces for the LMT by Freestyle RC. I can't even, wow. And so in a future video, we will be putting these in here as well. So if you want to see that, guys, make sure you subscribe. All right.